Okay, so here we go. Question number 10, test 1. Test 4, module 1. بيقول إيه? The following text adapted from Francis Hodgson Burnett's 1911 novel, The Secret Garden. Mary, okay, this is مهم بقى عندنا, a young girl, recently, دي يعني essential طبعا الناس بتوع writing, recently found an overgrown hidden garden. Okay, مفيش حاجة صعبة هنا. Okay, Mary was odd like different, unusual, determined like عندها strong will, little person. So here in the Mary is someone who is unique. She is unique. She's different. Okay, and doesn't give up. She's determined. And now she had something interesting to be determined about. She was very much absorbed indeed. Okay, absorbed يعني focusing. She's deeply focused, involved. يعني ايه؟ يعني Mary found a purpose. هي لقت حاجة تشغلها. حاجة واخدة وقتها. She enjoyed so much. And she's completely absorbed. She's completely involved in. هي لقت حاجة عجباها جدا وهي مركزة فيها قوي. ايه بقى اللي هي لقيته؟ هيقول اهو. She worked and dug and pulled up weeds steadily. Okay, طبعا pull up weeds. الweeds اللي هي unwanted plants. Pull out أو pull up يعني removed. يعني she's working in the garden. She's digging and she's removing the unwanted weeds steadily, يعني without stopping, consistently, only becoming more pleased with her work every hour instead of tiring of it. يعني she enjoys what she's doing. She's not tired. Okay, it seemed like a fascinating sort of play. يعني working in the garden it's not a work for her. It's like a game. She enjoys it so much. Okay. طيب what's the main idea of the text? ايه بقى main idea? ايه general idea هنا? Mary hides in the garden to avoid doing her chores. هي بتستخبى في الجاردن عشان يعني did he mention anything about that? Did he mention anything about إن هي she's hiding and chores الكلام ده? No. Mary is getting bored with pulling up so many weeds. That's so negative and the passage is so positive. She loves. She's not bored. Mary is clearing out the garden to create a space to play. Yes, she's clearing out the garden, but the passage never mentioned هنا يعني she's doing this because she enjoys doing this. ما قالش إن هي create a space for play. D. Mary feels very satisfied. Okay, very satisfied when she's taking care of the garden. I think yes, very satisfied when لما قال إن هي she had something interesting to be determined. Interesting. She's satisfied. Okay, it seems to her like fascinating sort of play. So she's satisfied. Taking care of the garden. Okay, so thank you so much.